Come discover this valley that never disappoints. Yosemite National Park is located in California's Sierra Nevada mountains. Yosemite referred to the Indian tribe that lived in this valley. It's famed for its high concentration of waterfalls, its giant ancient sequoia trees, and the granite cliffs of El Capitan and Half Dome. Let's first take a look at El Capitan, which rises over 3,000 feet above the floor of Yosemite Valley. It's the world's ultimate challenge for experienced rock climbers. This giant granite cliff is found on the north side of the valley. Half Dome is perhaps the most recognized symbol of Yosemite. Rising nearly 5,000 feet above the valley floor, it's one of the most sought-after landmarks in Yosemite. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate the hiking difficulty an 11. And don't forget that you need a permit to hike, which is awarded only through a lottery. Bridal Veil Fall is the most prominent waterfall in Yosemite, where water is blown away sideways by the brisk wind. Therefore, Native Americans called this waterfall Pohono, which means spirit of the puffing wind. This is the very first waterfall that you'll see when you enter Yosemite. Not a hiker? No worries. You're still able to enjoy the panoramic view of this waterfall from a lookout. For hikers, the main advantages are it's a short loop and it's cooled by the mists from the waterfall. Leaving many speechless, the Firefall is an illusion in Yosemite, making it appear that lava is flowing over the cliff. However, you can only see this natural phenomenon for a short time in February. How does this happen, you ask? Light refraction. Yes, you heard me right. All it needs is the setting sun hitting the waterfall at the perfect angle. That's why I said earlier, Yosemite offers different sights in different weather. The Mist Trail is the signature hike of this park. It has fabulous views scattered all along it, beginning at the bridge overlook, progressing to two unforgettable waterfalls that fall a combined total of more than 900 feet, and ending with perhaps the most striking of all, the view of Nevada Fall, Liberty Cap, and the back of Half Dome from the Muir Trail return segment. You can get covered with spray close to two of Yosemite's rock star waterfalls, and the view looking back from the Muir Trail is just as remarkable as the trail up the falls. Climb along nature's giant staircase, where you're rewarded with close-up views of two waterfalls and numerous geological features, depending on how far you choose to hike. Powerful and turbulent, these two waterfalls will soak you in spring and entice you year-round. You will delight in views of Vernon Fall all along the stretch of trail, and may even be able to see a rainbow in the spray of the fall. At the top of Vernon Fall, you can experience jaw-dropping views straight down the length of the 317-foot waterfall. Now let's move on to Sequoia National Park and Kings Canyon National Park. Boy, there's something magical about awakening in Sequoia National Park, surrounded by groves of the world's largest living things, and some smaller ones too, like red-tailed hawks and yellow-bellied marmots. Sequoia National Park and Kings Canyon National Park are the motherland for giant sequoia trees. Please don't let your neck get sprained admiring these enormous trees that just seem endless and soar high in the sky. Located next to Sequoia National Park, Kings Canyon Park is composed of two distinct areas. There's Grant Grove, which is home to the General Grant tree, also known as the nation's Christmas tree, and Cedar Grove. Grant Grove visitors snap photos and marvel at the sheer size of the Sequoia Grove. Kings Canyon is also home to Redwood Canyon, the largest remaining grove of sequoia trees in the world. You will find giant fallen sequoias. You have the option to either walk through them or walk over them. The choice is yours.